Hi friends, now I will discuss the formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants and arbitrary functions. Consider a relation is of the form f of x, y, z, a and b which is equal to 0, where x and y are the two variables, z is the function of x, y and a and b are the arbitrary constants. Given equation or a relation, differentiate partially with respect to x and y and eliminate the arbitrary constants, that is a and b. It is the procedure by eliminating the arbitrary constants. Next, suppose z is the function of two arbitrary functions. We have to find partial derivative up to the second order and use the necessary partial derivatives of the second order to the form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. While solving the problem, we'll get to know the procedure. Note, if z is the function of two independent variables x, y, the following standard notations are as below. P is equal to dou z by dou x, q is equal to dou z by dou y, r is equal to dou square z divided by dou x square, s is equal to dou square z divided by dou x into dou y, and lastly t is equal to dou square z divided by dou y square. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. First example, consider z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. Write the given equation. Differentiate given equation with respect to x and y partially. So, it is with respect to x means treating y as a constant. So, dou z by dou x is equal to y plus b. Then we know that dou z by dou x is equal to p. So, this value is equal to y plus p. Call this as equation 1. Next, differentiate the given equation with respect to y means that is dou z by dou y is equal to x plus a is a constant term. Keep as it is. Differentiation of y plus b is 1. So, dou z by dou y is equal to q, which is equal to x plus a. Call this as equation 2. Using equation 1 and 2, write the given equation. Yes, z is equal to, what is x plus a? Yes, what is x plus a? Q. And what about y plus p? It is p. So z is equal to q into p is the required partial differential equation. It is free from arbitrary constants. So it is the solution. Second example, z is equal to a into log of x square plus y square plus b. Here a and b are the arbitrary constants. Eliminate the arbitrary constants from the given equation. Write the given data. Call this as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So dou z by dou x is equal to, it is equal to p is equal to, a is keep as it is. What is differentiation of log x? 1 divided by x. So it is nothing but x square plus y square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. This implies p is equal to 2ax divided by x square plus y square. Call this as 2. Then it is with respect to y. So dou z by dou y is equal to q. It is equal to a is keep as it is. Differentiation of log x is again same. 1 divided by x. So x square plus y square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. So q is equal to 2ay divided by x square plus y square. Call this as equation 3. Dividing equation 2 by 3, we get p divided by q is equal to s. Write the value of p in numerator and write the value of q in denominator. Cancel x square plus y square and also the value of 2. So we'll get x divided by y. So p by q is equal to x divided by y. Cross multiply, we get py minus qx is equal to 0, which is the required partial differential equation. Next example, it is asked in model question paper 1819. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants from they have given equation x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to c square. Write the given equation, call this as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y partially. So first term differentiate with respect to x means it is in the form x raised to n. What is differentiation of x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1. So n is equal to 2 means 2 minus 1, 1. Plus second term is, as it is with respect to x means y is treating as a constant. Differentiation of constant term is 0. Plus z square is 2z into dou z by dou x, which is equal to 0. We know that dou z by dou x is equal to p. So which is equal to 0. So divide throughout by 2, we get x minus a is equal to minus z into p. Call this as equation 2. Then differentiate the given equation with respect to y partially means first term is 0. What about second term? 2 into y minus b plus 2z into dou z by dou y, which is equal to 0. So 2 into y minus b, what about the dou z by dou y? It is q, which is equal to 0. So divide throughout by 2, we get y minus b is equal to minus z into q. Call this as equation 3. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1, we get is, what is that given equation? X minus a whole square. What is x minus a? X minus a is equal to minus z into p. We want x minus a whole square. So minus z into p whole square plus, what about y minus b whole square? Minus z into q whole square. So plus z square is equal to c square. Simplify, we get z square into p square plus z square into q square plus z square is equal to c square. In LHS, z square is common, take it out. So z square into p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to c square is the required partial differential equation. It is, which is the solution. Next, fourth example, x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Write the given equation. It is having three arbitrary constants a, b and c. So it is having three arbitrary constants means it is more than two arbitrary constants, so you have to differentiate twice. So given equation, call it as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So 1 by a square is constant, differentiation of x square is 2x, second term is 0, plus 1 by c square is constant value. What about z square? It is 2z into dou z by dou x. It is nothing but p, which is equal to 0. So divide throughout by 2, we get x by a square plus zp by c square is equal to 0. Call this as equation 2. Given equation or equation 1 can differentiate partially with respect to y means first term becomes 0. Then 1 by b square is as it is, constant value. What is differentiation of y square is 2y plus 1 by c square is constant. Differentiation of z square is 2z into dou z by dou y. It is nothing but q. It is equal to 0. So divide throughout by 2. Y by b square plus zq divided by c square is equal to 0. Call this as equation 3. As it has three arbitrary constants, so differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to x, we get as this equation differentiate again. So 1 by a square is constant term, differentiation of x is 1. So first term is 1 divided by a square plus zp divided by c square. Differentiation means c is a constant value. So 1 by c square into z is also one variable, p is also one variable. We know that p is equal to dou z by dou x. So it is having two variables means you have to use product rule. So z into dou p by dou x plus p into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. 1 by a square plus 1 by c square. What is dou p by dou x? R. So z into r plus dou z by dou x is p. So p into p is p square, which is equal to 0. Call this as equation 4. Now from equation 2, write the equation x by a square is equal to minus z into p divided by c square. So what about 1 by a square value? Is equal to minus z into p divided by c square into x. Call this as equation 5. Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. We get 1 by a square value. What is that? 1 by a square is equal to minus z into p divided by c square into x. So it is 1 by a square value, which is equal to minus of, take this value to RHS side, minus 1 divided by c square into zr plus p square. C square get cancel each other. Remaining term is minus. Yes, minus here also, LHS side also minus, RHS side also minus. So cancel each other. Remaining term is z into p is equal to x into zr plus p square. So write the solution. What is that p value? Dou z by dou x. So z into dou z by dou x is equal to x into, remove bracket, x into z into, what is the value of r? Dou square z divided by dou x square plus x into p square. X into, what is p value? Dou z by dou x whole square is the required partial differential equation. So one more example. Z is equal to xy plus y into square root of x square minus a square plus b. Write the given equation. Call this as equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. So dou z by dou x is equal to, yes, it is not, we know that it is equal to p. Let's differentiate with respect to x means it is y is a constant value plus y is keep as it is. What is differentiation of root x is 1 divided by 2 into root x. So x square minus a square, differentiation of x square is 2x. So p is equal to y plus remaining term xy divided by square root of x square minus a square. Call this as equation 2. And differentiate with respect to y means dou z by dou y is equal to q, which is equal to, yes, x is a constant, differentiation of y is 1 plus differentiation of y is 1. Yes, this is a treating as a constant, so keep as it is. So q minus x is equal to square root of x square minus a square. Call this as equation 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. We get, what is that equation 2? P is equal to y plus x divided by square root of x square minus a square. So P is equal to y plus xy divided by q minus x. So P minus y is equal to xy divided by q minus x. Cross multiply, we get P minus y into q minus x is equal to x into y. So remove bracket, we get PQ is equal to xp plus y into q, which is the required partial differential equation.